My name is Juan, and I'm the Student Finance Coordinator here at Oulton College. I know that every student feels like they need help with finances, and that's pretty much what I'm here for, to answer all of your questions. So for starters, why don't we go through the most frequently asked questions that I receive on a daily basis regarding student loans. So student loan, it's pretty much a government program where you lend money from the government, you agree to repay it, and it comes in both a federal and provincial form. In terms of who can apply for student loan, the qualifications do vary across provinces, but for most of them, you have to either be a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident of Canada, or a protected person. So student line of credit at first sight is pretty much the same thing, right? It's also money that you borrow and that you are promised that you will pay back, right? But this time you're not borrowing from the government, you're borrowing from a private institution, such as a bank. The main difference between student loan and a line of credit is, for sure, the interest. Now, your student loan comes with great benefits such as 6-month grace period, which means after you're done your studies, there are 6 months where you are not gonna have to make any payments. And once those payments start, they're gonna come at 0% interest. Now, a line of credit does come with a lot of interest, usually between 10% and 20%. The main documents that you need when you're ready to apply for your student loans are gonna be your SIN number, that year's income tax return information, and if you're a dependent student, your parents' income tax information and SIN number. The main difference between federal and provincial funding is pretty much who is issuing those funds, right? So federal funding is being issued by the government of Canada as a whole, and they provide you with federal loans and federal student grants, such as the Canada Student Grant for full-time students, Canada Student Grant for students with disabilities, and Canada Student Grant for students with dependents. One question that I do get asked a lot is, can returning students apply for student loan? Of course you can. As long as you submit your application in a timely manner, there shouldn't be any delays on your application. The general answer for when you should apply for student loan, it's pretty much as early as you can. Now, if you want to start on the normal intake, which is around August to September, applications only open on June. So if you want to start applying on March, we really appreciate your enthusiasm, but applications won't open until that time, okay? It also depends on your provinces. Some provinces open their application on June, some do on July. Okay, so it really does depend. My main advice for students is for them to know that they're not doing this alone. If you're coming to Oulton College and you have any questions regarding your student loan application, do send me an email and reach out to us. We'll be able to help you.